Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Oh Lord, yeah, it's been a couple of weeks you ain't seen me. I've been chilling, I've been trying to be productive, I've been stressed up here. So yeah, I just wasn't in the right frame of mind to be creative, so I thought it'd be better I take a break, take it easy on myself and come back when I'm ready. So here I am. What prompted me to come back, right, is I saw my friend Laron. Shout out to Laron. Hey, his channel is Laron People on the YT, and he did this bomb ass what do you call it? No, the word has gone from my head. What's it called? What am I? Pipe cleaner curl out, twist out pipe cleaner curl thing, and it looked amazing. And I've tried doing pipe cleaner curls in the past. Sorry, I need to clean my glasses, they're looking hella dirty. I've tried doing pipe cleaner curls in the past, right? And it didn't work out in my favour. So this is gonna be my third time in my 5 years of having locks of attempting to do pipe cleaner curls. So we're gonna try, because I want to feel pretty too. Okay. Anywho, so I have my pipe cleaners. I hope I have enough, because I bought like a pack of like 100 or 150 pipe cleaners years ago when I was attempting to do the pipe cleaner curls. Apologies for the light, I'm trying to use natural light, so technically I should face this side of the window, I guess, but I'm here. We're working with what we've got. Yeah, so I have some pipe cleaners because I bought a big pack of them so that I could try and do it, and then when I failed twice I just dashed them in the back of the drawer somewhere. So I'm gonna dig them out. I'm gonna try. My hair is not freshly washed, so I'm gonna be spritzing it with water, and I don't know, because I don't know if I should leave the, see, I don't know everything, you know. Should I leave them in for a few days and then take them out and just like kind of rock it as a star with the pipe cleaners in? Should I leave them overnight and then take them out tomorrow morning? We're gonna see. This is on the fly, so we're gonna see. So I'm digging out the pipe cleaners, right? I've got a little table, so I'm gonna put them, all the ones I can find. I hope I have enough. We gonna see. Okay, so this is all the pipe cleaners I could find in my box of tools, right? Some of them are just like, you know, unfolded. Some of them have been folded or twisted up from my last attempt, and it's got like a little loop. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little loop at the end, and this was from clearly my previous attempts. So I don't know what I'm gonna do differently. I'm just gonna, do you know what it is? I've tried to do it as a curl, like how I'd normally curl my hair, and it doesn't work. I don't understand why. So I'm gonna try. Let's just give it a try. Let's give it a try. Okay, so why am I so discombobulated today? Okay, right. We need to, if you see the back of my head, right, it's horrible. I clearly haven't been to the barbers because everything is locked down, and so the back of my head, I might as well start retwisting it back here because it's so grown out. Okay, that's a bit dramatic, but you get my drift. Right, what do we do first? Do we split it this way? Do I do the, okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna flip all my hair forward, put in a big ugly bun on top, and start from the bottom and work my way that way. So let's flip the hair upside down. I'm serious when I say the back of my head look rough, look. Ah! I don't want to damage those eyes. Okay, let's bring all the hair forward in a big old bun. Let's clip that up. I've got a few of those, I don't know what they're called, those little gold and silver rings that you can buy and like clip onto your locks. I've got a few of those in my hair. I hope that doesn't like affect it. Cute, very cute. Now it looks like a bell. Ding, ding, ding. Anyway, right, so we're gonna Lord, the things we do for YouTube. Right, so let's clip this out of the way. That's a bit better, a bit more secure. And then I can like start from the back and just pull some hair down hopefully. But then I don't even know, like, I don't know how much hair to use. This is, I hope it's gonna come out cute. I need to feel cute. Been feeling a bit crusty. Let's feel cute. Okay, right. Because you know what it is, I'm gonna curl it as if I was using my trusty go-to curlers, which are these ones that I picked up from eBay a couple of years ago, and they came in a pack of 40, I think. I've got some other random ones in there, but it's these black and white ones, and they're soft rollers, right? So there's like a roller in the middle, and it's like got wire throughout it, so you can bend it in whichever way, and it means I can set it on hair that I just spritzed, sleep with it, and the next morning my hair's all curly and lovely. So I'm kind of somehow hoping I can get the same effect, but tighter curls that'll last longer. I don't know, we're gonna see. Okay, let's spritz the hair. Now remembering probably the reasons why the 2 times fell before, because it's so bloody tedious. Oh, I feel like I've been twisting my hair for forever and a day, and I don't know how people make it look cute, because this looks like I look like a tree, a tree that lost all of its leaves. I'm sorry that the light again is looking all. I can't even talk about the light. Look at me, bruv. This needs to come out looking stupidly fantastic for this to even be half of worth it. Even if it looks cute, I ain't doing this again, man. I know I don't like this. If I ever start talking about pipe clean curls again, you don't remember, innit? That Rose went through this foolishness doing naked tree fashion. Be a tree, but to make it fashion. I feel like this took over an hour. Look at me, I'm a tree. I've tied this here so that my hairline can look a bit neat and tidy, like not get messed up by the blow dryer or whatever. I don't even think I could even consider sleeping in this, because this looks so freaking uncomfortable. I am a tree. I'm a tree. Be a tree, but to make it fashion. Okay, so we're back. It's like 3 days later, yeah? I've had these rollers, pipe cleaner curls, these uncomfortable devils in my head for 3 days. I got a lot going on despite, you know, Corona and all that. So I haven't been able to sit down and take them out sooner. Why does my voice feel so deep? I don't know what's going on there. Don't worry, I'm not sick. So yeah, I've not had a chance to take these out sooner. Listen, it's all falling apart. Look, this one, I don't know when or where that pipe cleaner fell out. I think it was at some point that I was sleeping, but it fell out. So I'm gonna take them out now. I would say these better come out right, but I mean, look, let's hope that the other curls can disguise what's going on. Again, I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't really know what's going on with the setup right now, the lights. Everything's a bit discombobulated. Maybe I need new lights. the sunshine is on this side trying to counteract the light. I don't know what's going on. We're gonna work with it as it is, yeah? Not every day that things can be perfect. So, okay, right, let's get these things out of my head because they are hella annoying. Like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. You know, pipe cleaners, they've got like the little pointy ends. How do I even take these out? What's the best way to, do I just, oh, okay, we'll do that. That's easy. The little points, because you know it's like pipe cleaners are like a metal wire with like fuzz wrapped around it. Little points in the metal wire, they've been jabbing my head for 3 days. So let's at least taking them out is easy. Oh wow, it's a really tight curl. Okay, let's hope I can pull the others out as easily. Oh yeah, okay. All right, I'll give them that much that I could just pull them out. Okay, cool. Let's get the rest of these out and then see what we're doing style wise. Okay, that's them all out. The curls are super tight minus this one. Let's just pretend it don't exist. Okay, so yeah, this is, I think they're all out. You know, when you take rollers out, there's always one rogue roller somewhere. This is what the curls look like when I've taken it out. I mean, they're super tight and to me it's not cute, so I'm gonna take the rollers out. Now my edges and all that were nicely, neatly slicked up and all that, but because these have been in my hair for so long, I took like all this, I've been sleeping with just the bonnet, because normally I sleep with the bonnet and this thing. So I can like, my edges could be nice and neat, but seriously, who am I doing it for? So they're not all nice and neat, but we're gonna unravel these curls and see what we are working with. Oh, it might even look like a little afro. Wow, okay, let's see what we've got going on. Okay. Okay, it's like super curly, like super duper curly, and we've hidden the crappy one back in, but I think in a day or two when these curls drop, they're gonna be super cute. I feel like I've done like a twist out or something with natural. I know it don't look the same, and I'm looking in my mirror over here that I'm now balancing on my Eco Styler gel, but yeah, no, these are cute. They're hella tedious to sleep in with, but no, these are so cute. Oh, can you imagine if I had these during the summer? I feel like it's super frou-frou. Like, I don't know, I'm used to my hair being flat, so I'm not used to this. And I can't see you guys right now. Where's my glasses? So I can't tell what I look like in the viewfinder. Put my glass back on. I'm officially old and I've got to do this. But I mean, these are cute, right? It's cute. With the dark roots and the red hair, and it's cute, right? I like it. But these are annoying. They're annoying to put in because it feels like you're wrapping your hair around nothing. They're mad annoying, but I know that volume is really cute. It makes me, it's just different, isn't it? I mean, I've got a couple stringy bits like that didn't curl properly, so I don't know if maybe my hair needs to be wetter, because I can't say I need to put them in for longer. 3 days is long enough, and I don't think it needed the full 3 days. I was just being lazy, but I mean, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I can imagine, right, if my hair was like up in like a high ponytail or something, you know, like, oh, that looks so cute. I know I look crazy. But if my hair was up like in a high ponytail, come on. But we're not gonna do that right now. We're gonna just I've not had this much volume in my hair since I was natural, so I don't really know what to do with it, because it's just, I'm looking in my mirror, it's a lot. It's cute, but it's a lot. I don't know. This would be great for like a party, you know, you're going to have your friends. Listen, when this quarantine is over, I am going to like I've never ate before. This would be a good I'm back. Welcome to the party. This is the 3rd time I'm trying to do pipe cleaning cars. I've never been able to do it, and now I'm able to do it. So this is redeeming. give the glory. But yeah, I will do it again. I will. I said before I'm never going to do this again, but I will do it again because this is super cute. And like my hair feels really like fluffy. It's like, it feels like a twister. Like look at that. That's just, if I was to find this way to squish it up, that's like a curly girl type thing, right? I mean, I really like it. I definitely will do it again. I 100% will do it again. Yeah, these are super cute. They're a lot more frou-frou than like my go-to curls, which I will do a video on at some point. Are a lot more relaxed. I'll put a picture here, which is the picture that people know me for with curls. Those are the kind of curls where they're relaxed. The top is a lot flatter and the curls are just kind of relaxed around the ends. This is like all the way, like I really like, no, they're cute. They're really cute. Yeah, I don't really know what to say now, and I don't want to waffle because I just want to look at the mirror and be like, But yeah, I really like them, even with my hidden one that's in there that we're gonna take out tomorrow. But yeah, no, this is, wow. I'm kind of astounded because I've not had this much volume since I was natural. So seeing me with this much volume is just wow. It also makes me really happy that I have Microlocs because I don't think I'd have this much volume if I had thicker locks. So yeah, no, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. No, we don't like just to get more. Yeah. Listen, let me go because all I'm doing is zhuzhing up my hair and looking, admiring myself in the mirror, my makeup, my lashes. I look super cute. Yeah. So give it a go. I think one thing to note is my hair is bra strap length and it is now touching my shoulders. So if you have shorter locks, right, don't see it as a bad thing that it's going to be really short. Imagine it's going to be like a locked TWA. It's going to be, trust me, like I can see it now. If my hair was like shorter, if my hair was touching my shoulders like this and I curled it, I can just imagine a little TWA and you put like a little headband, so it's like, oh, it looks so cute. And if you've got some colour, so yeah, try it out, give it a go, like tag me, like post on Instagram and tag me so I can see it. But yeah, my friend is Laurent people, okay, you was onto something. I mean, he I don't know if it's because he's a guy, he didn't like fluff out the curls. His curls were like, so you know when I first took them out and they're like ringlets, he left them as ringlets and they look really cool, but fluffed out like this is Anyway, let me go. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.